Hello all, we're back again. It's 8:42 p.m. Looking at the market. Not really liking anything to take overnight. There's only one thing I am looking to take. Nasdaq, we had this huge jump today. We sold around here. Very unfortunate because look at that, it just kept going. Very unfortunate. This is on my other account. Sorry, not this account. But that was crazy. Definitely don't want to take this longs right now. Although it's still in the profit area, there's so much space here. Gold, which is what we traded today. You could still take longs because this is the stop loss. We broke out. We had longs here. We got profit, took profit here, and look, guys, it just kept going. It's so annoying that it kept going so much. It's our fault that we kept it, but it's still going. It's still in profit. If you're still in this position, if you took longs here, you should still be in it right now, because this has not crossed the stop loss. So there's no reason why to get out, but I'm not in it right now. I don't want to take that profit. That risk. What I am looking at is oil overnight. So as you can see here, we have been in this here since May 25th. So, it's been like 7 days, 8 days, whatever, 9 days. It's just been stuck here. It's going to break out. Today we did break out, and we are above this line now. So this pink line right here, this trend line, this is the stop loss. I want to take one right here, not 30, just one.
Order filled.
Because I like here, especially because we can manage a risk. $56 risk is 50 something. Yes, let's go. Somewhere around there. $60 risk, $60 risk. I am very happy to take that risk, especially if you thinking it's gonna come back and then bounce off. I'll take that any day. I like it a lot. Again, I'm looking at. Let's put it the 4 hours. You can see it better. Look at this. This has just been consolidating forever. We're finally breaking out. Here we broke out, but we came back down as soon as it broke out. See, it came back down. I'm not sure if there was news or something, and then we never came back. Here we broke up, we came back down, but we are above this trend line. Here we never broke out of that. And as you can see here, it starts from all the way over here. So 1, 2, 3 broke out today. Consolidating here now. Now, can it break down? Of course, it can break down, come back down, and then go up, and that would be very unfortunate. But we're playing our strategy. This is a stop loss. As you can see, it made it today. So it would be this line. So breaking this line, it would be around to play the strategy, it would be right here, around 46, 45. The reason why I'm putting it over here around 60 is because, see these two wicks right here? I'm afraid that this is going to touch this, and from this pink trend line, bounce off, which sometimes it does. $60, I'm not afraid to take that. So hopefully we'll see what happens and come back and does overnight. That's all I'm thinking about, nothing else. I'm not taking any other trades. And we should wake up in the morning, and then we'll see what happens and go from there. All right, we'll see you later on, guys. Good morning, everyone. It's 8:23 in the morning. We got stopped out. I was able to move the stop loss a little higher on the oil we had. Was it? Yeah, it was oil. As you can see here, wow. So, yeah, we had here, and then it came back, touched us. I think I moved it up to like here or something, because I was up at like 3 in the morning and I saw it. We were up again, but yeah, now it came back down. Hit this candle, I believe that's where we got stopped right here. Yeah, and then we're up again. So right now we would probably be, I think we got in around here, so we'd probably be, in green right now if it wasn't. But a $30 loss, that's not terrible. We're doing pretty good so far. I'm looking at this right now, 2 there, nothing going on. It's interesting because this broke out, and look, not one candle after this has closed below it. Look here. So maybe this wasn't the breaker. Maybe still thinking of keeping going higher. So I'm still very tempted to take longs here. If we're looking at the 4 hours, look at that. I mean, this screams kind of like a bull flag. Boom, boom. Actually, it's more like a microphone. But you got the thing, and they're trying to break the 63.48 resistance. So I'm very, very intrigued in taking longs in this, even still now, and having this be our stop loss. So, but we'll see. You're looking at Nasdaq. Um, it was a yesterday, yeah, very similar. But yesterday we broke this. This was all yesterday, and then today came back, touched this resistance right here, and now we're popping back up. So, again, I think I mentioned this yesterday night. If you took longs here and just stayed with this being your stop loss, even if you came here, you should have sold. You should have kept. And look at now, you would still be right now. You'd be almost at all time at the highs again, trying to break through and up again. So it just shows that you just gotta keep it. Unfortunately, that's something that I'm still working on. It's tough. It's very, very tough to hold a position when you're at highs and then to come back down and hold it. Because this can go like this, and then you held all this for a little bit more. So, but that's part of trading. That's definitely part of trading. Let's look at gold. What's going on with gold? Okay, so we broke this. So. Yeah, nothing to do here. Yeah, so that's nothing anymore. Actually, that's just building right now. So let's see what's gonna happen there. This broke. So we'll see what happens now. I'm pretty sure to me that was the yeah that was a stop loss right there. So it broke now. So we'll see what happens then, because now we're looking at this, but no, nope, it's still building. We gotta wait to see what happens here. We might come back and touch this and then go up, but we're just gonna keep it for now. See what it is. It's not really doing anything. It's not gonna break up again. That's for sure. So we'll see what happens. There is right there is there support right there. So yeah. I mean, we'll see what happens, but yeah, nothing really to do there on gold. The Dow, look at that. See how it broke here, came back and retested the same line, the same trend line, and then now we're going up. That's crazy. Crazy that it respects it so much, So 1, 2, 3, break, come back, retest. That's probably your stop loss. Oh, what the hell? That's your stop loss now. But now that would, if I got in here, it's not too bad actually. It's not a stop loss crazy, but I'll wait for now. I don't wanna take that right now. Let's look at platinum. That was interesting yesterday. Yeah, there we go. So it came back, retested this. So you have 1, 2, and then it broke. Then retested this, and then it fell again. Interesting. But that's gone now. Let's see what we have here now. That's your new trend line right there. Nope, it's still there. But it's building right now, so we'll see what happens there. If you get another touch and then it breaks, then you also have this, which is interesting. Look at that. Then you have 1, 2 basically, 3 right there, 4. So this is definitely a line that I want to keep in touch in case we start flying to a platinum. That's one. Because if you can break, then you have this as your stop loss right there. Until we fly really high. So I like this. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Like platinum right there. Let's look at copper. Copper broke yesterday. This is nothing anymore. This now goes up here from all those highs over there. What's going on? There we go. All right, so let's see, and then from here, you have this line. It's a white line. We'll see what happens if we can try to break up again with platinum metals if they start pushing. How was gold again? I don't think it was doing anything, was it? I mean, it was pushing, but not really. It came back down, so we'll see. Yeah. Because where is it? Yeah. I mean, it broke, but now the new line would probably be from this high right there to this high. You know, so there's nothing more really to take up. If anything, if this candle finishes there, it would go from here to here to go short. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Look at the S&P. Similar to Nasdaq, you know. Interesting. You broke this now, so let's get rid of this now. Let's see. You do have this. You have one, you have two. Right now, I mean, this is if this comes back down, it's three, and then another retest, and I'll take longs. I like that. Yeah. No, excuse me, guys. Allergies killing me. All right. Same thing with the Nasdaq then. Not gas. I should look at gas though. Yeah. Take this off. If we are looking at this, no, it's already breaking. So it's already breaking. Yep. That's all I have to do there because it's already breaking. It's only 2 touches, so we're not gonna touch that. Although this line, I'm looking. I don't know why I didn't do this. This is 1, 2, 3, right there. So if this breaks, you know, we'll have if depending on where this goes. But I do like Nasdaq short because look, you can go from here. This would be your, you know, this won't depending on where this candle ends. It'll be from here to here. This would be your stop loss. If it comes back down, breaks this, and then really comes back and tests this line over here again. So that's another one we could do, guys. So a couple different options that we can trade. We'll see what we like. 8:31 now, so no news came out. Basically, nothing is trading now at 8:30. Maybe we'll have something else later. And I think that's it. Let's just look at one more. The Russell. Yeah, look at that. This was yesterday. Yeah, I believe yesterday. Broke, came back. This is now your stop loss right there. So came back now. If you were holding after this break, you were in red, and then now you're finally in green. So, but see right now it's too late to get in. Look at this. You have all of this for loss. So your risk is all of this. You know, because you would take it once it breaks this. You would break all of this for you at least want minimally similar to you're risking to what you're winning. So it's no bueno anymore. Now, at least not for us. Not for us. No, this is you gotta see what develops here. We'll see what happens. The only thing I have right now is this. See if something if something happens here where this candle ends. You have some you definitely have some resistance right there. So that might come back down before it goes up. Hopefully it comes back down here, touches it again, and that would be a very nice try. And I think that's it, guys. Oil pumping now. What a bastard. Okay. You know, so we're down $30 for the day. I'm most likely going to take another trade, seeing if we can get our entries. But if not, you know, $30 a day, it's a small red day. I'll take that. And then we'll go from there, guys. We'll see you in a bit. All right, here, guys. I was at work. As you can see here, I'm looking at Platinum. Bad thing about Platinum is you can only play minis. You can't play micros. So it moves very, very fast. So you can see here, took a long here in Platinum. Once it broke this trend line, I really liked it for a good push up. We did talk about this, so this was in my mind. I'm looking at it. Again, Platinum is hard to keep because it's a mini. It's not a micro. So it can go down and hurt you really bad. So I have to put a stop loss because I'm at work, so I can't be on my phone 24/7. But I'm going to put, it is a wide stop loss, but I want to put it somewhere. So at least I have it so it doesn't just drain my account completely and we tank the account. It's a very wide stop loss, but I'll take it here just so I can have something. All right, now you can see here working in our favor. It's pushing. For 15 minutes, look like it. We're up $115. I love it. You know, I really want to get to around 200 or that 1067 area. So we're going to push this, put a sell here around 200. So hopefully it hits us. We get to 200. We raise the $30 that we lost earlier last night. And that would be great. But that's it. I'm looking at it, and then I believe here, off camera, it does sell me. It hits us, as you can see here, and that's for the day, 167.